least of my people that you do unto me.
ओ स्पर्श, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? क्या इसी का अर्थ होता है गहराई की ओर जाना?
बेशक मेरी दोस्त, तुमने सही समझा। सबसे महान सुख है देने में, सबसे बड़ा नुकसान है आत्मसम्मान खोने में। जीवन की सबसे अधिक शक्तिशाली ताकत होती है प्रेम, और सबसे बदसूरत पहलू स्वार्थ।
Dear ladies and gentlemen, healthy and positive attitude towards God creation is the real stewardship. Self-centeredness and excessive greed has divided human beings from His goal. Human beings have forgotten the message of God.
Our theme, rowing into the deep, means development of self-worth and responsible individual within the human community.
May we now take all of you to the world of politics. Let's remember that the attitude is more important than done of all promises.
It has been rightly said, values are caught, not taught. The increasing and alarming rate of erosion of values in our society in recent times is a matter of grave concern. The reasons for the state of affairs may vary, but the most obvious and significant are the pernicious influence of the vast network of multimedia and pleasure-seeking, materialistic lifestyle and thinking projected by it in a powerful and alluring manner. Here we present a skit that has a mild attack on the value eroded political scenario in our country, the evil influence of the multimedia on the students, and a general deterioration of the value system in our society. Celebration of rowing into the deep is all about our spiritual depth, growing into the wisdom and knowledge and state of attitude towards entire creation of God.
Please help me. I am dying. Please, please take me to the hospital. Please, please. नेताजी की जय! नेताजी की जय! नेताजी की जय!
These dirty, poor, good-for-nothing people are really a nuisance. They lie and park themselves wherever they wish and make the place filthy.
In fact, it's because of such people as these, our country has got a bad name.
If I were to become a minister, the first thing I will do is to make India a clean country by sending away these poor people out of the country. I will clean these forests and develop factories over here. There won't be any poor people in the country.
Sir, where will the poor go? They are our own people. They have voted for us.
Be practical, Secretary. Think of the country's development. We have to compete with other countries. With this jungle and the poor, where is the growth of the nation?
Let us hope and pray that he may not become a minister.
Did you say something?
I was saying that you may become the prime minister.
Ha 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 ha. That's my pet dream. By the way, is our election manifesto ready? Keep intact all the promises I have dictated to you.
Yes, sir. I have made a long list of very attractive promises. Number 1, if a party is voted to power, first of all, we'll provide all basic needs free of cost. There won't be any poor people left in our country.
Isn't that promise attractive?
Indeed. But sir, is it possible?
Talk sense, Secretary. These are just election promises. Any fool knows that this is not possible. Come on, next.
All jungles will be clean and the multinational factories will be established there. The country will see the much awaited development.
And all will row into the depth of luxury and comfort.
But sir, what about the increase in pollution? The poor will die. The beautiful nature will vanish. Is that the real rowing the deep, sir? Have love for God's creation, sir.
Oh, Which fool appointed you as my secretary? He must be a nut.
Sir, it was you alone who appointed me as your secretary.
But why should you ask me such a silly question? Come on, next.
All the poor will be given medical help free of cost.
Please, help me. Have mercy on me. Save me. Sir, take me to the hospital.
Sir, this poor man is asking for a free medical help. Is it possible?
It is not possible. Arey Bhikhari, that is not a job. We are not social workers. We are politicians. We have to get ready for the coming election. Do you understand, fool?
Very good, sir.
You fool! Who asked you for your expert opinion? By the way, now we have to find out where the link road is.
Come along, sir. Netaji ki jai! Netaji ki jai! Netaji ki jai!
Is there anybody to help me? Can anybody help me? Please, help me. Please.
Sir,
Hey, why do you frighten me?
sir, you wanted to take a photograph of a poor man? Look there, a man lying on the bench.
A poor man? A poor man in the park will make an excellent photograph. Smile, please. How can he smile, sir? He seems to be in terrible pain. What to do? It has become a habit to say smile, please. It is better for you not to take the photograph at the funeral and say smile, please.
Please, help me, sir. Take me to the hospital, sir.
Oh, who has got time to help you? Sir, it seems rather complicated. Better not to help him. Let us go our own way and mind our business. Let me take another photograph. You are a lucky fellow. Your photograph will appear in the newspaper.
Hey, hey, smile please.
Villagers were making merry, enjoying on the fields, happy amidst beautiful nature, breathing fresh air, taking clean water, etc. A multinational company sets in.
Netaji ki Netaji ki Netaji ki Yes, sir. I will do likewise with all the property. Netaji ki Netaji ki Netaji ki
No sir, it's not fair. Where shall we go? We will be homeless.
Boy, take this money and enjoy yourself.
No sir, we cannot sell our land. It's our life. The land of the poor is snatched. Their homes are destroyed. The poor on the roads are bulldozed. The beggars on the road are thrown out of the city. Factories got established and poor became homeless. The environment got polluted and people started falling sick.
Is there anybody to help me? Please, take me to the hospital. I may die soon. It's so suffocating. Please, save me. Please.
Netaji ki Netaji ki Netaji ki
What are you doing here? Secretary, why should they build their huts on the road? Why can't they respect the feeling of national development? Why should they defile the beauty of creation?
We love our nation. We respect human dignity. It is you who don't respect the nation. But Robin, it is you who have no feeling for the poor and the needy. You snatch the land of the poor. You build factories over their home. You rob the earth and pollute the mother earth. You are the destroyers, not the makers.
Well said. I like that.
Did you say something?
I was saying that you are the true caretaker of the nature.
No, he isn't a caretaker. He is a robber, a killer and destroyer.
Let's don't mind our words, sir.
All right. Let us go for the meeting.
Tomatoes, potatoes, onion, brinjal, palak,
Please take me to the hospital. I am dying. Please.
Oh my God! Who is this? He needs to be taken to hospital immediately. Look here. Someone is in need. What? Oh my God! What has happened to this boy?
What's the matter, lady? What makes you cry?
Look! Someone is crying here for help. He is in terrible pain. He needs to be taken to hospital immediately.
Why? To get into trouble. It's none of our business.
Are you a man or a mouse? He may die soon. Take pity on him.
Sorry, lady. I am not interested. And I do not have much money too.
I have some money with me. God is there. He will help us. Let us do what we can.
Sorry. We have to go for a business.
Oh, yes. It's time already. Let's not involve ourselves in it. Let the dead bury the dead.
Is there anybody here? Can anybody help us? Yes. Come on. Doctor, nurse.
Put him there. Don't delay.
Ma'am, I hope nothing serious.
I'm so sorry. You are too late. I can do nothing. He is no more.
Netaji ki! Netaji ki! Sir, your son has been found. He is in the hospital.
Oh really? My dear son? Where is he? I want to see him immediately. Sir, he is here. Oh, dead.
Sir, he seems to have developed lungs failure due to pollution. You could have brought him little early to save his life.
This boy was found lying close to the factory amidst garbage. Nobody bothered to help him.
He seems to have been suffering for many days without help. That means I had seen him. I could have saved my son, but I could not recognize him. My politically politicized eyes blinded me. I did injustice to the poor, destroyed the nature, and that has killed my son in return. My son, my dear son, my son.
Daddy, where is my brother?
Sorry, he is no more. It's so painful to see a child dying like this.
He was found lying in the park in pain, but no one bothered to help him.
Oh, that means I had seen him. But my brother. We need to help others. If we help our own people, what great thing do we do? Let us not neglect those people who are in need. Human beings are more valuable than mere things. Let money not destroy our life. If we destroy nature, it will destroy us in return. Remember, destruction of God's creation is the destruction of humanity. So, row into the fullness of life together with the teachers and entire society through wisdom and knowledge.